I just had to let you know you're.
Good day, everyone. Did you know that the food we eat every day plays a very important role in our health and well being?
However, many families in our community still lack enough knowledge about proper nutrition and safe food practices.
Because of this, some people experience problems such as poor nutrition, unhealthy eating habits, and foodborne illness.
That is why awareness about proper nutrition and food safety is very important for every family.
As students from the TVL Home Economic track, we are trained in food preparation, nutrition, and household management.
With the knowledge and the skills we learned, we want to help our community live and healthier life. This is why we created our advocacy program called Nourish to Flourish.
Our goal is to educate community members about the importance of balanced meals and healthy eating habits.
We will also promote proper food handling, preparation, and storage to prevent foodborne disease.
Through seminars, cooking demonstration, and interactive activities, we will share practical and useful information.
We will also teach families how to prepare nutritious meals using affordable and locally available ingredients. By learning these simple practices, families can improve their health and prevent illnesses.
Children and adolescents can also develop better eating habits that will benefit them in the future.
With the support of our teachers, local health workers, barangay officials, and community members, this advocate can become successful.
Together, we can build a healthier and stronger community.
Let us work together to nourish our community so we can all flourish.
I just had to let you know you're.